Hi, welcome to the April edition of the Asset Management Strategies monthly newsletter. We finally saw the market pull back a little after 3 straight positive months to start the year. Our broad stock market was down about 0.5% for the month. Small caps and internationals were down a little bit more, between 1.5% and 2%. The market did rebound the last week of April, coming back almost 2% for the best week that we've seen in about 6 weeks. Concerns were attributed again to Europe. Spain's credit rating was downgraded to BBB+. Our GDP growth for the first quarter was revised down from 2.5% to 2.2%, which alone might have caused much more significant damage to the market. March new home sales were higher than anticipated, but the weekly jobless claims were a little worse than expected. China's manufacturing index was weak, along with economic news out of Germany and France. Our consumer confidence index was slightly lower. It's still a pretty murky economic picture out there, but it's slightly positive. So the question is, as always, what's the market going to do next? It's interesting to see the news every day try to pinpoint the one thing that caused the market to do what it did that day. Apple's news pushes market higher, or Spain worries cause market sell-off, or the market's down because of this or that, or it's up because of this reason. In reality, it really isn't one news item that is completely attributable to the move. It's a complex combination of many things. Let's say, for example, the Fed announces that it's going to raise interest rates. That news comes out and the market looks to interpret that. Is it good or is it bad? Usually you would expect the market to not like rising interest rates, but some may see it as a positive sign that the economy is actually much stronger than anybody thought, and the market goes up. You just don't know. Is it the news that drives the market, or the market doing its normal ebb and flow, and they try and apply some news story as an explanation du jour? The bottom line is the market is a combination of lots of little auctions of individual stocks, all day, every day. We don't have to predict what news will come or how the news will be received and how the market will react. We get all the information we need just from price movement. On that note, we did pull back about 1/3 of our equity holding in April to be a little bit more cautious going into May, but I wouldn't be surprised to see this market keep moving up. That's it for this month. I'll talk to you next month. As always, thanks for listening, and if you have any questions or comments, please give us a call.